Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss 3 national hair care tips to say goodbye to dandruff. Tip number 1, Tea tree oil mix. Tea tree oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties that will eliminate dandruff bacteria on your scalp. How to use: add a couple of drops of tea tree oil to your shampoo and be sure to cleanse your scalp well. Or you can add 2 drops to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and massage it onto your scalp. Let it sit on your scalp for 15 minutes to an hour. Then proceed to wash hair as normal. Tip number 2, apple cider vinegar rinse. The acidity of apple cider vinegar changes the pH of your scalp, making it harder for yeast to grow. How to use: mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. After shampooing your hair, pour the apple cider vinegar mix onto your hair and scalp. Massage it in for 5 minutes. Rinse and continue your conditioning treatment. And finally, tip number 3, baking soda scrub. Baking soda reduces overactive fungi that can cause dandruff. How to use: soak your hair with warm water, then rub baking soda on the scalp gently. After scrubbing the entire scalp, rinse and condition your hair. And there you have our 3 tips, natural hair tips to help get rid of dandruff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and wear your hair with pride.